about how a rabbit becomes a chef. The story's name is Rabbit Becomes a Chef. The author's name is Chammi Iresha. The illustrator's name is Chamath Prasanga Lokuliyana. The translator is Magdalena Cooper. Published by Room to Read. So let's begin the story. Every day I eat only raw carrots, Rabbit said to herself. That afternoon, she went to the farmer's house and saw a pot boiling over the fire. Just as she was starting to have an idea, the farmer dog came barking after her. Thought Rabbit, what should I do now? Rabbit tried to keep the carrots in the sun, but they remained as raw as before. Finally, she had an idea. First, she found an old tortoise shell. Then, she collected some sticks and 3 stones. Hooray! Rabbit finally had a way to cook her carrots. And they all had a meal of delicious cooked carrots. And here we come to the end of this story. Bye bye.